Hello there, welcome to Mike Earn. If this is your first time here, we're looking at the weekly forex market forecast. We're going to be looking at the Euro USD, GBP USD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs in this video. So let's get started. Before we get into the business of the day, let me introduce you to some of my products. This is the Forex account management service that I offer. And also this is the premium Forex signal service that I offer as well. So for the account management service, you earn as much as 15 to 20% monthly. If you let me handle your trading accounts, let me handle your Forex trading accounts and manage your Forex trading accounts, you can get as much as 15 to 20% profit and even much more monthly, right? We also have a referral bonus of 15% commission from our cut of the profit made. So there will be a profit sharing ratio. You make as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and we get our cut, and you also get your cut, and your trading account will keep increasing progressively like that, right? So if you are interested in this forex management service that I offer, forex account management service, and if you're interested in this forex account management service that I offer, my contact is in the description below. It is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and how you can be part of what we do, right? So it is really going to help your trading and help you take your profits to the highest possible level. So you earn as much as 15 to 20% profits and even much more monthly, and you get a commission of 15% for everybody that you get on board. So the next product, the premium forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now I have realized that a lot of people have been trading for many years and still don't know what to do. They still don't know how to sustainably make profits, and it is crazy, and I know how terrible that can be when you have been in the market for so long and you still don't get it. But the forex market is quite different from many other kind of businesses out there. The forex market needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding to make profits. So while you're still in the process of learning all that, or maybe you're no longer interested in all that, you can get, or even if you are already a profitable trader yourself, you can make much more profits with the premium forex signal service that I offer. This goes for $200 monthly, and it is highly profitable, right? For $200 monthly. Yes, I know the price looks different from what a lot of you see out there, but one thing you need to know is this: I promise you, it is much more value than the $200 that you are paying for it, right? It is much more value than you get much more value than the $200 you're paying for it. So this the signals I provide on this platform, on the signal service, are from tested and trusted trading systems. Trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years are what I use to derive these signals. And I myself, I'm in this market to make money. I'm making money trading. I also know that selling signals would also make me some money. So I'm doing that. Since I'm making money trading, I'm going to also make money selling signals. I'm also going to make money, managing forex accounts as well, right? So you can also be part of what I do, and I only give on this signal service, I only post trades that I take myself, right? So I'm not one of those, I don't know if signal service providers do that, but I do not give signals that I don't take myself, right? I only give signals that I take myself because I know how profitable they can be, and I also don't want to miss out on that. So that's one thing you can take to the bank. This is really you make a lot of money. You'll take your trading profits to the highest possible level following this signal service. Now also you can use the same contact, my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can start working with me, how you can start getting the signals and also making a lot of money. So that is that for the products I have for you: the Forex account management service, which you get as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and also the premium Forex signal service, which you get for $200 monthly. I am here to serve you. So let's get back to the business of the day. Now we're starting with the Euro USD currency pair. Now let's go to the monthly time frame and see what price has been telling us. Well, we can see that the price isn't doing anything significant yet. Price hasn't broken above this previous high that the market has been playing around, right? Or price has not significantly broken around above that zone. So we're still, price has not broken and closed above that zone. So we're still within that zone, which might be a pointer that the price might start falling off soon, but we're not so sure. So this is a weekly time frame. We can see the range right there. We can see price playing around the zones, and it hasn't broken out of this zone, this lower zone, and also it hasn't broken out of this higher zone. So it's still within that range. Now let's go to the daily time frame and look at what to expect. Well, if price comes into this 1.11393 zone, right, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, a one-to-one sell right there. Go for a one-to-one sell if it meets your confirmation. If price comes in contact with the 1.11393 zone on the daily time frame, and it gives us a day close candle, a bearish day close candle, then you can go for a one-to-one right there. But if price doesn't do that, if price pushes below that and comes into this 1.09139 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a buy, right? Go for a one-to-one buy right there. And it will be a really cool one. But don't forget, you can only take these scenarios, or only take these trades if they meet your confirmation. That's very important. Don't forget that. Now for GBPUSD, if we go to the monthly time frame, we can see how price has been behaving over the few months. It's as though price is making an attempt to push higher, but we are not so sure at the moment because it's still at a major zone right now. And this is the weekly time frame, same idea right there. Now let's go down to the daily and see what to expect. Well, for the daily time frame, if we see price push higher, break above these zones and come into a zone like the 1.32767 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close, below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell right there. Go for a one-to-one sell if it meets your confirmation, right? But if price comes back into this if price doesn't do that, but if price drops down to the 1.30061 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy, go for a one-to-one buy right there as well, if it meets your confirmation, only if it meets your confirmation. So that's that for GBPUSD. Now for USDCHF, USDCHF is quite straightforward because I believe it's a trendy market within a zone actually. It's within a range rather. It's also a large range, but it's still very directional as opposed to the other pairs. Now let's see, what should we expect? If we go down to we see the monthly, we see that price is still around the zone. Price has not come into this lowest low of the zone that price came that low in 2023 and also came that low in 2015, right? So price has not come into that zone. It's a very significant zone in the market, but price seems to be coming close to that zone, right? So this is the weekly time frame now. So now let's go to the daily. What should we expect from this? So we zoom out a little. Yeah. So what I would expect is that if price pushes low and comes into this major zone of the 0.83319 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a buy. If price comes into this zone, comes in contact with that 0.83319 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I would suggest that you go for a buy. But if it doesn't do that, if price breaks above this 0.85515 zone and comes into a zone like the 0.86983 or the 0.87647 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones, then I would suggest that you go for a sell at either of those zones. Go for a sell, right? You can also take it as a one-to-one right there. Don't forget, only take these trades if they meet your confirmation. Yeah, if these scenarios play out and they meet your confirmation, you definitely can jump on them. Now for the USDJPY currency pair, what should we expect? Let's go to the monthly time frame. Well, as I mentioned the previous weeks, this is a very bullish market, but we've been seeing bearish moves in the past few months. So is that a sign that the bulls are done? Well, we also saw bearish moves for a few months, way back in the year 2022, but the bulls continued. We also see something similar in 2023, but the bulls kept pushing higher, right? The bulls kept pushing higher. So now what should we expect? Let's look at the weekly time frame. For the weekly time frame, we see the market has come into the zone and has closed below that zone. Oh, I don't think it has loaded yet. I don't think the chart has loaded. Well, I think it has. I think it has loaded. So let's go to the daily time frame and see what to expect. Well, I still suggest that there might be an opportunity here. If we see price push, if we see the market open and then price comes as low as the previous day low, that's the Friday low, or comes really close to the Friday low, and then it pushes higher and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. That'll be an opportunity to buy if it meets your confirmation. You can go for a one-to-one, and you can go for more than a one-to-one. You can take the buy to the 144.818 zone or the 146.8484 zone or the 147.761 zone, or you can just do a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 and end it there, right? So that's very possible too, whichever one works out for you. But if price doesn't do that, if price just breaks above and just comes into a zone like this, right? If price comes into a zone like the 144.818 zone and it gives us a bearish and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone after coming in, after interacting with that zone. It gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest that you go for a sell. You can go for a sell, go for a one-to-one, because this is a very bullish market and you don't want to overstay your welcome when you sell in a bullish market, right? And what else? I think another scenario we could look out for is something like this. If price continues lower and it comes into the zone of the 138.975 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I would suggest that you go for a buy, right? Go for a one-to-one buy right there, if it meets your confirmation. Or better still, you can go for a 2-to-1 or even hold to this 140.893 zone, right? Don't forget that you can take your first profit at 1-to-1 and then hold the remaining till whatever zone you want to hold, while moving your stop loss to the break even, just in case, so you don't eventually lose again on that trade. So that is that for the Euro USD, GBP USD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pair. Thanks for watching today's video. Before we go, I'd like to tell you about the products that I offer: the Forex account management service and the Forex premium Forex signal service as well. Now, for the account management service, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly if you let me trade your account. If you let me manage your account, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly and even much more. And also, if you get anyone on board to do business with us, you get 15% commission from my part of the profit. You get a 15% commission. Now, the trades I take on the Forex account management service are highly profitable trades and high probability trades only. That's the way I trade. That's the way I've been trading. High probability and high profits only, right? So this is what I do, and this is how you make a lot of money. There's a profit sharing ratio. When you come into my DM, we talk about that. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's chat about how you can be part of this service that I offer, right? How you can be part of this service, how you can also benefit from this service that I offer. Come into my DM. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's talk about how you can be part of what I offer, right? Now to the Forex signal service. Now, with the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly, you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level with profit making. I know $200 looks really different from what you have out there, but this is the promise. You get a lot more value with the $200 monthly service that I offer. You get a whole lot more value than the $200 that you pay for it. So the premium Forex signal service is here to help you. I'm aware that many people out there have been trading for years and they've not been able to sustainably make profits. But with this premium Forex signal service, you get to make a lot of profit with the signals that I offer, right? I only give signals that I take myself, so profits, a whole lot of profits are guaranteed, right? So come into my DM. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's chat about how you can be part of what I do, how you can benefit from this service that I offer. Yeah, so that's it. The Forex account management service and the the premium Forex signal service. Forex account management service, which promises as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly. Yeah, so sometimes it might be lower than, sometimes it might be lower than that, sometimes it might be definitely much more than that for the Forex account management service. And you get your profits consistently. And for the premium forex signal service, you get highly profitable trading signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye for now.